Hi all, welcome to Easy Learning Tech. In our previous video, we have covered the course curriculum on the testing and seen few other topics on the introduction module related to the testing. If anyone hasn't watched the previous video, I'm going to place the link under description, so please go and check it out. So coming to today's topic. In this video, we will be going to cover some remaining concepts on the introduction module. Let's start. Major disasters in software testing. What are the major disasters and why we are using the word disaster? Means if the testing is not happen properly, then it leads to disaster. And we will see some examples, then it will be easy to understand. Data breach in Yahoo 2013. It was occurred in August 2013. Almost 3 billion users were hacked by a group of professional black hats from the Eastern Europe. The hackers were also suspected of stealing and selling the customer information. Similarly, another breach occurred in 2014 which affected 500 million users but was different from 2013. After this, people started getting panic and no one ready to dare to use this application. We will get out now why it is related to testing and what it is the exact relation. This type of issue can be able to predict in the testing phase, but hence it is not identified. To avoid this type of issues from our end, using the same password for a long time is not a good practice. Hence, we can able to avoid this type of issues. Next one, HSBC online banking failure 2016. HSBC have faced some outage issue for 2 days when people are logging into online and mobile banking services and people got afraid of losing money because of the failed system. If the testing happened properly, we can able to predict this type of issue at early stage. Next one, North America blackout 2003. On August 14, 2003, more than 50 million people lost power due to an aging grid that encountered a technical flaws stretching from New York City to Ohio. Ohio went to offline due to high demand, which put the rest of the power network under greater stress. You might think that this has nothing to do with the software bug, but the incident could have been avoided if the software that triggered the alarm system had not been bugged. ARIANE 5 failure. On June 4th, 1995, Europe's newest satellite launching rocket, Ariane 5, ended in failure just after 40 seconds of it taking off. According to the team invested the failure, the destruction occurred due to 64-bit number being coded into 16-bit space. The loss of information was due to the error in specification and design of the internal reference system. Cyber attack on nuclear power plant. On October 2016, the world watched a team of highly skilled hackers take down the power grids that were a result of cyber attack. Hackers trying to penetrate the computer network of companies that operated nuclear power stations. The head of the International Atomic Energy Agency did not disclose much of this attack that took place but said that disrupted the day-to-day activities at the plant. Software security flaws revealed in Ola mobile app. Ola is India's largest taxi revealed aggregator, faced a major security flaw within the system. The software bugs detected helps basic programmers to enjoy the unlimited free rides at the expense of Ola and the expense of users. The issue went to the public when customers brought up the weakness in the system. Ola tries to fix the bug when complaints scaled up, and it was a bad for company reputation in the marketplace. New York Stock Exchange halts trading. In July 2015, the New York Stock Exchange stopped trading due to an unclosed internal issue where all open orders were cancelled. The traders were alerted and informed that they would receive the information later. While responding to the shutdown, NYSE announced that there was a no cyber breach within the system and it resumes. IRS e-file goes offline. In Feb 2016, federal agencies suffered from a hardware failure. IRS announced that the hardware failure has affected numerous tax processing systems that went out of the services, including the modernizers e-file system and another related system. Majority of the folks trying to file the taxes online but could not complete the process. Later, IRS made amendments and worked to restore the regular operations to get back to the routine. Starbucks software bug. Batch in April 2012, Starbucks witnessed a registered malfunction which, according to Starbucks, was caused by an international failure during its routine refresh. This resulted in 60% of the stores in US and Canada being forced to close. The affected stores were unable to process payment transaction, and at one point many stores were giving the coffee away for free. Hence, these are some major disasters in software testing. So, now we will see what is software testing and what is the actual definition of software testing. What is software testing? This question I want to discuss in story. Then we will discuss the definition part because many of them want to switch their career from non-IT background to IT testing, or some people they want they will have the practical idea but in theoretical they cannot able to explain the meaning exactly. So in every application or in every product we will use the name testing, right? For example, in automobile industry they will use many testing methods on each stage, like they will test the mileage, speed, brakes, engine capacity, so on. And finally, after resembling all the parts, then again they will test, right? Then finally they release this product into the market. In the testing terminology, we could not say the car, bike, but we will say this one as a product. Here, the product means nothing but the car or bike, whatever we can think. But then they will not release all 1 lakh cars or 1 lakh bikes at a time, right? First, they want to check the customer feedback for 10K cars. Once the feedback is good, then they will start producing more on that model. Now we will see what is software testing. It is the process of checking developing software is working as per the customer business requirements or not. It is also able to find the defects or bugs. It can also be implemented with the same characteristic. Here we will discuss like what is developing and developed software in next video. We have seen software testing, but what is a software? Means it is a collection of computer programs that helps to perform the task. Example, if we need to perform any manual task through the machine, I need to do the task that machine needs some software to perform action. Only having mobile is no use until and unless if we are having some applications like WhatsApp, etc, and those are softwares. Software is a collection of program and developers will write the code to build the software. Next, we will see what are the types of softwares. System software like device drivers, operating system, servers, etc. For example, if we are having any laptop or desktop and we are connecting the mouse, keyboard, and printers, to connecting them, we need to have some additional drivers to install. Sometimes the system will come along with all the drivers. Like operating system is nothing but Windows, Mac, Linux, only desktop. Like only if we are having the desktop is no use until and unless we are having this system software or operating software. Next one is programming software like compilers, debuggers, interpreters, etc. For example, if the developers are writing the code, how the program will run means someone should be there to process the code and these actions will run under the compilers. Next one, application software, web applications, mobile application, desktop applications, etc. For example, users will use the applications like Amazon, Facebook, WhatsApp, MS Excel, like so on. So these are nothing but some of the types of software where we will see. By this, we cover what is testing, what is software, types of software, disasters in software testing. In coming video, we will start the actual testing concepts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we are publishing the new videos. Thank you.